Are you tired of getting turned down for loans? Are you tired of being rejected for credit card or hit with high interest rates that you can't even afford, putting yourself into a worse situation all because your credit is tore up? It's not the end of the road. Credit repair can change your life. I'm my best testimonial on that. Hi, I'm Stephen A. Williams. I'm the president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com. And if you ever been frustrated by bad credit collection or inaccurate information dragging your credit score down, you need to listen closely to this video. Credit reports are full of errors, collections that aren't even yours, late payments you never missed, or outdated information, or flat out inaccurate information from creditors from the way that they're reporting the information on your credit reports. These mistakes can cost you thousands of dollars over time and cost you opportunities in the future. Here's how you can fix your credit. You need to pull all three of your credit, TransUnion, Equifax, Experian credit reports, and all three scores. You need to identify the negative items, the inaccurate items, the unfair items. You need to file disputes directly with the credit reporting agencies and with the furnishers of that negative information on your credit report. Then you need to follow up from their responses. They're going to respond to you. Sometimes it's going to be deleted. Sometimes they need more information. Sometimes they're going to say that it's verified. Even if you know that it is not true and verifiable, sometimes they will come back verified. Your job, what I need you to get into your mind, is that you need to keep doing what needs to be done until it gets done, because that's going to be the way to get you to where you want to be without doing any gimmicks, no quick fixes. You want to do this the right way because you want to be able to move forward in your life. The next step after you get the information fixed on your credit reports is you need to look at some things that can boost your scores. There's stuff like RIT reporting. You can get your cell phone reported to your credit. If your utilities are not being reported, there's products out there that can get that done for you. You can get authorized user trade lines. Maybe you have a relative, or you can seek out a service that can help you do that. At the Credit Repair Shop, we do not just send out cookie cutter letters. We dispute with the major credit reporting agencies for inaccurate, unverifiable, and unfair information, and we also send that to the furnisher. No ducking and dodging. We want to make sure that when your credit is repaired, we're going to do this the right way. So you're going to have to look back over your shoulder thinking that something was done illegal. We also help you with settlement. You need to get it into your mind that you may have to potentially settle some of your accounts to be able to move you forward. So the Credit Repair Shop is a full-service credit repair and debt settlement company. We will help you repair your credit, increase your scores all the way from A to Z. We handle it all. If you need help with your credit, please visit us at thecreditrepairshop.com. Watch video What Makes Us Different so you can see my 8-point validation process and my 2-phase settlement process. If you need your credit reports and scores, go to the website your3scores.com to grab your TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian credit reports and all 3 scores. If you have debt collectors coming after you early in the game, grab my 3-pack of letters: statute of limitations, debt validation, cease and desist collection activities letter. Thank you for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Post your questions and comments. This is Stephen A. Williams, president and founder of thecreditrepairshop.com.